Hey YouTube, this is TR Boom 21 coming to you from my apartment. This is the unboxing of the Dallas Cowboys Revolution Speed Helmet. Originally I went through NFL Shop and I tried to order the helmet. I paid like $337 for it, probably way too much money. Got the helmet days before Christmas and it was the wrong one. So, called them up, tried to see if I could get the Dallas Cowboy helmet, and they didn't have it in stock. They said they probably wouldn't have it in stock for months. So, I went online to YouTube to see where everybody else was getting their helmet from. And everybody else was going on eBay and buying it from Ballpark Sports. So, I went on eBay, looking around, found Ballpark Sports, and this helmet was actually $100 cheaper. It came to $204 with tax, and it took them like maybe I would say 4 or 5 days at most to get it to me. And I'm happy to do the unveiling right now. So let's get to it. Take this out with one hand. Dell Revolution Helmet Speed, official helmet of the NFL. Something fell out. What is this? Fitting instruction, the helmet care, helmet warranties. Okay, looking official to me. So let's get to the unboxing. Oh yeah. I did this video because you really don't see any Dallas Cowboy helmets unboxing on YouTube. You see a lot of the Redskins and the Niners and the Giants. So I wanted to, pay tribute to my Dallas Cowboys. Wow. It's beautiful. Look at that, boy. Cowboys name on the back, NFL little sticker, and a little warning label. Let's see, warning label. Do not remove this card until helmet is issued to a player. Oh yeah, this is official. Oh yeah, but yeah, it is gorgeous. Dallas Cowboys. Well, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave comments if you want to. But yeah, check out Ballpark Sports on eBay. They have great deals on helmets. Alright, take care. Bye.